Hi guys, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see the live captions section. If you want to use them, you should tap on the switcher. Also we can change here the settings of the live captions, the language, to show the sound labels and the live captions in volume control. So let's go back. If you want to turn on or turn off the silent mode, we should tap on the switcher. When the silent mode is activated, we can see that our ringtones and notifications, they just will be muted. Just if you want to just turn off the silent mode, you can unmute the ringtone volume panel. If you want to use the vibration on ring on silent mode, you should tap on the switchers. To change the vibration intensity, tap on this section and just slide to the left or to the right side. This dots on the notification and vibration panels. Also we can turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode by click on the switcher. We can set the shadow of the D&D mode and to allow the messages, calls and notifications from many people or apps, and to use the option to ring for repeated calls and to silence media in don't disturb mode. Let's go back. Here we can see the media, ringtone, notifications and alarm volume panels. Just to change them, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots. To change the ringtone and notification sound, you should select one from these available sections. Just to select the sounds which you will like. Also we can turn on and turn off the Dolby items and to change the haptics and tone section. If you want to use system haptics, we should tap to the switcher to activate them. To change the haptic intensity, we should slide to the left or to the right side, and also in the sound section we can turn on and turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sound, screenshot, deletion and the touch sounds. So that is why. And let's go back, and in more section we'll see the volume button function. We can use the volume buttons to change the media or the ringtone volume. And if you in default device, we can switch it from auto select to the external microphone and to use the in-ear monitoring option. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.